Hey everyone, Zachary Jarid here from the Goldwell US team. And today I want to show you my model Naomi, where we're going to do a global lightning application using Oxycur Platin with BondPro Plus technology. Then we're going to do a multi-dimensional detailing look using the new illuminated shades AS at 9 and PB at 10. Let me know what you think. Now that Naomi's ends have processed to a level 9 or a pale yellow, we are going to continue our application. Here's what she has processed to thus far. With the rest of our application, starting in the back, working our way up, and we will pull the thermal foils and saturate at the scalp. Now we are ready to apply our new Elumen shades. So on Naomi's hair, what I'm doing for my root tap above the rounds is I'm taking diagonal subsections and I'm taking very little product on my small Goldwell brush, and I'm aiming right at the scalp and then kind of wiggling as I pull out, and this will help to diffuse your line but get the majority of the concentrated Elumen color, which ours is AS at 9, at the base, and then as I pull out it kind of creates a gradient effect so that you don't pull your root smudge or your root shade too far out to preserve the lightness on the ends. Then, once all of these roots are applied, I will take my PB at 10 Elumen shade and apply that to the rest of the lengths. I hope you enjoyed this look on my beautiful model Naomi. For more videos like this, check out our next lineup on our Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.